When it comes to home renovations, selecting the right materials and products can make all the difference in enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. Among the many choices available, windows and doors play a pivotal role in both the appearance and energy efficiency of your space. That's where Mesa Window and Door Solutions stand out. Offering a wide range of premium products, Mesa is known for delivering high-quality windows and doors that elevate your home's overall appeal and performance. Here are the top reasons why you should invest in Mesa Window and Door Solutions for your next renovation project. Superior quality and craftsmanship. One of the most compelling reasons to choose Mesa Window and Door Solutions is their commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Each product is carefully designed and built with the highest standards of durability in mind. Whether you're installing new windows or upgrading your doors, you can count on Mesa to provide products that stand the test of time. With attention to detail and an emphasis on precision, their windows and doors are made to withstand harsh weather conditions, resist wear and tear, and continue to perform flawlessly for years. Energy efficiency. In today's world, energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners. With rising energy costs, having well-insulated windows and doors is essential for reducing heating and cooling expenses. Mesa Window and Door Solutions offer a variety of energy-efficient products designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. Their windows feature advanced glass technology, including double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features work together to minimize heat loss in winter and keep cool air inside during the summer. By investing in Mesa's energy-efficient products, you can enjoy significant savings on your energy bills while also reducing your carbon footprint. Enhanced curb appeal. The right windows and doors can dramatically transform the look of your home, and Mesa Window and Door Solutions offer a wide variety of styles, colors, and finishes to match any architectural design. Whether you're aiming for a modern, classic, or rustic aesthetic, Mesa's extensive selection ensures you can find the perfect match for your home. New windows and doors are an instant way to refresh your home's exterior and increase its curb appeal. Not only will your home look more inviting, but the updated design can also boost its market value, making it a smart investment in the long run. Customization options. Everyone's home is unique, and your renovation should reflect your personal style. Mesa Window and Door Solutions offer customizable options to ensure that your windows and doors are tailored to your specific needs. From choosing the frame material, wood, fiberglass, vinyl, to selecting the glass type and hardware finishes, you have the freedom to create a look that perfectly complements your home's design. This level of customization ensures that every detail is aligned with your vision, providing a seamless blend of function and beauty. Security and safety. Security is a top priority for any homeowner, and Mesa understands the importance of keeping your family and belongings safe. Mesa's windows and doors are built with advanced locking systems and reinforced frames to offer maximum security. The design of their products also ensures ease of use, making it simpler to lock and unlock without compromising strength. Whether you're replacing an old front door or installing new windows, Mesa's high security options provide peace of mind, knowing your home is protected from potential intruders. Low maintenance. Another reason to consider Mesa Window and Door Solutions for your renovation is their low maintenance properties. Many of their products are made from materials like vinyl and fiberglass that require little upkeep compared to traditional wood frames. These materials resist warping, rotting, and fading, meaning you won't need to worry about frequent repainting or sealing. Mesa's windows and doors are designed to stay looking new with minimal effort, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your home rather than maintaining it. Professional installation and customer service. Mesa is committed not only to providing high-quality products but also ensuring that your installation experience is seamless and stress-free. With professional installation services, you can rest assured that your windows and doors will be properly fitted, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Mesa's expert team works closely with you throughout the renovation process, answering any questions and offering guidance to make sure you're completely satisfied with the final result. Long-term investment value. Renovating your home with Mesa Window and Door Solutions is more than just an aesthetic upgrade, it's a long-term investment. Their high-quality, energy-efficient products will save you money on utility bills, while the enhanced curb appeal and security features will increase your home's value. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years to come or eventually sell, the value of installing top-tier windows and doors cannot be overstated. Conclusion. Mesa Window and Door Solutions offer a combination of superior quality, customization, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal that makes them an excellent choice for your next renovation project. With their focus on long-term performance and customer satisfaction, investing in Mesa's products ensures you'll enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and stylish home for years to come. If you're ready to elevate your home's look and functionality, Mesa Window and Door Solutions should be at the top of your list.